All right, baby. Stay close. You got really high winds. Ooh. Stay close, baby drone. All right. Let's see if you work. There we go. Don't run into me.
Hey guys, it's Dawn here. This is some raw footage of me testing the DJI Neo drone. I am just playing around with it for the first time. I want to learn it and learn all the features and stuff like that, test the capabilities. Here, this wasn't supposed to really be in video to go out, but I also wanted to test. I put an external mic on my phone and sync that up with the DJI, and I also am testing this voiceover thing. So lots of testing. Nothing to really see here, but I thought I would throw this out just in case. So here is the hello, and here is the goodbye, because there's no real ending. So anyways, thanks for joining me today if you decided to hang out and watch this. I'll talk to you guys later.
Hey, baby, you lost me. Hey, baby. Okay, watch out. There we go. Gotta get the trash out. Okay. This time don't lose me. Come here. Oh, okay. How do I do this and not hit you? Ah! Don't scream at me! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You see me? There you go. Come on. Come on. Aw, baby, you keep missing me. Come on. You need to see my whole body? Come on. You're getting lost because I'm dragging this trash can behind me, huh? Alright, I'm gonna push it in front of me. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on. There we go. Whoa, whoa! Come on.
We are currently
This is actually really good because we are in high wind warning
also,
right
the big
now,
fires are going on
and
right
we have
now.
really big gusts.
The winds have been
And
crazy, like 50
he's
mile an
doing
hour
so
gusts.
well.
And this drone is only supposed to be able
All
to
right,
handle
let's go check out the backyard.
light breeze. But surprisingly, this drone was amazing. You could hear his little motor whirl when the heavy winds was hitting, and he was shaking, and he looked so scared. But he was doing so well. Like right here, he was shaking so bad. I was really worried. It was a really big gust, but he handled it. He handled it so well.
Oh my gosh, I love you so much. Gotta feed my fish. Whoa, the wind, the wind. All right, hang in there, baby. I'll get you. Oh my gosh. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'll get you if we need, okay? Don't worry, I got you, baby. I got you. I got you. Oh, you're doing so well. Just hang in there. You're doing really well. I'm so proud of you. All right, hold on. All right. Let's see, can you fly? Come on.
Like seriously, for the price, this little drone is absolutely amazing. The amount of things that you can do with it, having your own personal little flying puppy. Oh my gosh, I love him.
Come on in here, baby. It's safe. Come on this way. There you go. Oh my gosh. It's so hard to not think of this as a little puppy, as my new puppy, because he's so adorable and he like moves around, he looks up and down like he's like looking for you, and he listens and he follows directions, and he's just like so adorable. And I mean, he's operating himself. He's following me by himself. So it's really hard to not think of him, as a puppy. He's so good. He's doing so well inside the garage. And he do so well outside too, but we got some really windy conditions, and you did so well in the windy conditions. Let's see, what else can we do? You see? Woo! Oh, look at that. Come down. Come up. No? You know the difference? I look different than the alligator? If I come towards you, what do? You don't do anything. Okay.